The USS Abraham Lincoln CVN 72 stands as a formidable icon of American naval power. A Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, it has played a pivotal role in projecting military strength and responding to crises across the globe. Named after the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln, this massive ship embodies the principles of freedom and democracy, much like the man it is named after. Over the years, it has accumulated a rich history, become home to groundbreaking milestones, and remained a cornerstone of naval operations. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the story of the USS Abraham Lincoln, exploring its history, technical specifications, the weaponry it carries, its unique ability to deploy aircraft, and the experiences of those who serve aboard this mighty vessel. We'll also touch on some intriguing facts and the ship's life aboard for its crew. Commissioned on November 11, 1989, the USS Abraham Lincoln is the fifth Nimitz-class aircraft carrier of the United States Navy. It was built at the Newport News Shipbuilding Company in Virginia, a shipyard with a long history of constructing some of the Navy's most important vessels. The construction of the Lincoln began in 1984, and by the time it was commissioned 5 years later, it had already become a symbol of American military might. In more recent years, the Lincoln has continued to serve as a versatile and dependable asset to the U.S. Navy. Whether responding to natural disasters, participating in joint exercises with allied navies, or being deployed to strategic locations around the globe, the USS Abraham Lincoln remains at the forefront of American naval power. When it comes to technical specifications, the USS Abraham Lincoln is a marvel of engineering. This behemoth stretches 1,092 feet in length, which is about the size of 3 football fields laid end to end. It has a beam of 252 feet and a draft of 41 feet, making it one of the largest warships in the world. The carrier displaces over 100,000 tons when fully loaded, a testament to its immense size and capability. Despite its weight, the Lincoln can achieve a top speed of over 30 knots, approximately 35 miles per hour, thanks to its 2 nuclear reactors. These reactors provide nearly unlimited endurance, allowing the carrier to operate for over 20 years without refueling. This ability to stay at sea for extended periods is one of the key features that makes the Lincoln such a formidable asset in both peace and wartime operations. The flight deck of the Lincoln is another critical component of its design. Covering 4.5 acres, it serves as the launch and recovery area for a variety of aircraft, including fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance planes. The deck is equipped with 4 steam catapults, which can launch aircraft weighing up to 100,000 pounds, and 4 arresting gear cables that can bring a landing aircraft to a stop within just a few hundred feet. These systems allow the Lincoln to rapidly deploy and recover aircraft, making it a pivotal element in any air operation. While the USS Abraham Lincoln's primary role is to serve as a floating airbase, it is also heavily armed to defend against a wide range of threats. The ship's defensive capabilities are robust, ensuring that it can protect itself and the valuable aircraft it carries. The Lincoln is equipped with multiple layers of defense systems, each designed to counter different types of threats. Its primary armament includes RIM-162 Evolved Sea Sparrow missiles and RIM-116 Rolling Airframe missiles, both of which are used to intercept incoming missiles and aircraft. The ship also carries the Phalanx Close-In Weapon System, a rapid-fire Gatling gun that is used as a last line of defense against incoming threats, such as anti-ship missiles and small boats. In addition to these active defense systems, the Lincoln is equipped with electronic warfare capabilities that can detect and counter threats before they become imminent. These include radar jammers, decoys, and countermeasures designed to confuse enemy sensors and weapons systems. The carrier's hull is also designed with survivability in mind. It is compartmentalized to prevent flooding in the event of a hull breach, and its vital areas are reinforced to withstand damage from explosions and impacts. This combination of active and passive defense measures ensures that the Lincoln can operate in contested environments while minimizing the risk to its crew and aircraft. One of the most impressive aspects of the USS Abraham Lincoln is its ability to carry and deploy a wide variety of aircraft. The Lincoln typically carries an air wing composed of around 60-70 aircraft, though this number can vary depending on the mission. The air wing usually includes a mix of FA-18 Hornet and Super Hornet fighter jets, E-2 Hawkeye airborne early warning aircraft, EA-18G Growler electronic warfare aircraft, and various types of helicopters, such as the MH-60 Seahawk. These aircraft enable the Lincoln to perform a wide range of missions, including air superiority, strike operations, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and search and rescue. The FA-18s, for example, are versatile multi-role fighters capable of engaging both air and ground targets, while the E-2 Hawkeyes provide the carrier group with crucial early warning and battle management capabilities. The flight operations aboard the Lincoln are a complex and highly coordinated process. Launching and recovering aircraft on a moving ship requires precise timing and seamless communication between the pilots, flight deck crew, and the ship's bridge. The flight deck is often described as one of the most dangerous working environments in the world, where the combination of powerful jet engines, moving aircraft, and heavy machinery can create a hazardous environment. However, the crew aboard the Lincoln is highly trained, and safety is always the top priority. The USS Abraham Lincoln has also been a platform for social progress within the U.S. Navy. In 2016, Captain Amy Bauernschmidt made history by becoming the first woman to serve as the executive officer of a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. This was a significant milestone, reflecting the increasing roles women are playing in the military. Just a few years later, in 2021, Captain Bauernschmidt made history again by becoming the commanding officer of the USS Abraham Lincoln, making her the first woman to command a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. Her appointment was a landmark moment, not only for the Lincoln, but for the Navy as a whole, showcasing the evolving nature of military leadership and the breaking of long-standing barriers. Captain Bauernschmidt's leadership has been widely praised, and her time in command of the Lincoln is seen as a pivotal period in the ship's history. Her story is a testament to the opportunities now available to women in the Navy, and it serves as an inspiration to countless others. Life aboard the USS Abraham Lincoln is unlike anything most people have experienced. With a crew of over 5,000 sailors and airmen, the carrier is essentially a floating city, complete with its own amenities, social structure, and daily routines. The day-to-day life of a sailor on the Lincoln is regimented and disciplined, with long hours dedicated to maintaining the ship, conducting flight operations, and ensuring the readiness of all systems. Sailors typically work in shifts, with some working during the day and others at night, depending on their assigned duties. Living quarters aboard the Lincoln are compact, with sailors sharing bunk rooms known as berthings. These spaces are tight, with little personal space, but they are equipped with the essentials needed for life at sea. Each sailor has a small locker for personal belongings, and there are common areas where they can relax, watch movies, play games, or connect with family and friends back home through email or phone calls. The ship is also equipped with a galley that serves meals around the clock, as well as medical facilities, a gym, and even a chapel. Morale is an important aspect of life aboard the Lincoln, and the Navy makes efforts to provide recreational activities and events to keep the crew engaged and motivated during long deployments. Despite the challenges, many sailors describe their time aboard the Lincoln as a rewarding experience. The camaraderie and sense of purpose that come with serving on such a significant vessel are unmatched, and the pride in being part of the Lincoln's crew is palpable. Another interesting fact is that the Lincoln is home to one of the most advanced medical facilities in the Navy. With a fully equipped hospital, the ship can provide a wide range of medical services, including surgeries, dental care, and even psychiatric support. This capability is crucial, as the ship operates far from shore for extended periods, and the well-being of the crew is a top priority. What aspect of the USS Abraham Lincoln do you find most fascinating? Its advanced technology, its historic milestones, or the life of the crew aboard this floating city? Let us know in the comments below. The USS Abraham Lincoln is more than just a warship. It is a symbol of American strength, resilience, and progress. From its storied history and impressive technical specifications, to its groundbreaking milestones and the unique experiences of those who serve aboard, the Lincoln stands as a testament to the power and potential of the U.S. Navy. As it continues to sail the world's oceans, the Lincoln will undoubtedly remain a key player in global security and a proud representative of the United States. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the USS Abraham Lincoln, one of the most powerful and storied vessels in naval history.